hit snooze. Just 5 more minutes, please. You're such a sleepyhead, and that works for me, that works for me. Maybe we shouldn't sleep till noon, and we have things to do, but they can wait, let's let them wait. Under the covers, wait for me. Wait for me. Ready, set, stay. Ready, set, don't go away. Ready, set, stay forever. Stay, stay, stay. Ready, set, stay. Ready, set, love me all day. Stay forever. Stay, stay, stay. Too much wine for Thursday night. It's only 6 o'clock, too early to be kissing outside. It's hard to fight it though, oh, when your eyes are that blue. And I don't care if all New England knows that I want you, 'cause I do. Bit of a breeze, but it's the brightest April day. Southbound tracks we're pulling away. I bet they'd all agree I'm sitting way too close to you, but I don't care if these strangers see that I want you, 'cause I do. I'd be the happiest soul in the world, darling. Ryan, when I look into your eyes, I see the future of the kind of person I've always dreamed I'd be. And Ryan, when you speak, I hear the truth of many ages and the wisdom that my father tries to teach to me. And if you could love me, yeah, if I could love you, well, I'd be the sweetest words in your ear, darling. I'd be the loudest cheer.
I was born to eliminate any of your mistakes. All the big rocks, put it on my way, didn't cost me